Kia's infotainment systems offer seamless connectivity through Bluetooth. To connect, access the infotainment home screen, select Phone, then Add Device. Enter the PIN, usually 000, and confirm on both devices to enable hands-free calling and audio streaming. For navigation, use the built-in GPS by inputting destinations via the touchscreen or voice commands like "Hey Kia, navigate to address." The system provides voice-guided directions with real-time traffic data. Android Auto and CarPlay can be connected wirelessly or via USB, mirroring smartphone apps like Maps and Messages. Use voice commands for safe, hands-free operation while driving. Kia provides a dedicated button to easily switch between infotainment modes. Compatibility covers Android 10 Plus and iOS 13 Plus on newer models. Kia's infotainment system is evolving with AI-driven personalization that learns your preferences and over-the-air updates that enhance features without needing a dealership visit. Starting with 2023 models, Hey Kia voice commands allow natural language queries, integrating seamlessly with the system. Over-the-air updates deliver new features directly to your vehicle, keeping the infotainment system current and advanced. Increasing AI integration will bring predictive navigation that anticipates your routes and adaptive user interfaces tailored to your preferences. Wireless connectivity is now standard, making it easier to integrate Android Auto and CarPlay without cables. Future developments include augmented reality overlays for navigation and advanced AI assistants capable of managing complex requests. Through 5G connectivity, Kia plans full smart home integration alongside eco-routing features that promote sustainable driving practices. Cybersecurity remains a priority, with Kia investing in advanced encryption to safeguard the infotainment system from potential threats.